If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
In racing, it's really important that you capitalize on the practice time you have before a race. More often than not, that practice time is limited.
You got work to do, and you ain't got time for some wimpy, half-assed tool. You need power. Raw, uncompromising, killer torque. Go ahead, wrap your hand around an Aircat. It's time to bust something loose. So, when you got real work to do, grab hold of an Aircat. Impact wrenches, ratchets, drills, die grinders, air hammers, and cut-off tools. Nobody builds more power than Aircat.